Hi, pre-calculus students. I was asked about transformations. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up this problem right here with homework 3.1. So we have a line, 3x minus 6, and we want to transform it. So we're going to move it to the right 3 over 3, 1, 2, 3, and then up 2. So it'll still have the same slope, we're just going to move it over. Okay, so the easiest way to do this is to, for me at least, is to put in the algebra. So everywhere there's an x, so I'll have 3 times x minus 3, and then I'll have the subtract 6, and then we'll have to add the 2 right here, plus 2. So that will simplify down to 3x minus 9, and then negative 6 plus 2 is subtract 4, which is going to equal 3x minus 13. So here's the new equation of the line. Well, let me go ahead and pull up my calculator right here, because I'm going to let the calculator do the work. I'm just going to go to y equals, clear out an old equation, type in the new one. 3x minus 13. And I'm going to go to my table, which is right here, and see it's in yellow letters. So just hit second, and then table. And I've got to find some points around the graph. 0, negative 13, 1, negative 10. Okay, here. 2, negative 7 is on the graph. How about n 6, 5? Okay, so I'm going to move my screen back over to WebAssign, because we need to graph this thing. So I'm just going to click on the line tool, and I needed, let's see, 3. I can still see the calculator even if you can't. So 3 down to negative 4. So there's my first point, and then we had 6 and 5. So 6 and up to 5. And you notice that, okay, so here are those points that I wanted. So here's the line graphed. And you can see, I'm going to move the screen, that they still have the same slope, it just got moved over. And the new equation was 3x minus 13. So I can go ahead and submit that and get my green check. See? Check mark. Alright, I'm going to go to section 3.2 now. So if I come up here to my assignments, I can do the same thing with 3.2. And I'm hoping they still have the same equation for number 2, because that's what I typed in. They randomized it. Okay. So I'm going to have to change my equation here. So they took 4/5 x plus 2. Okay, oh good, that was right. Oh good, they didn't change it. Phew! Okay, so obviously they flipped it right here with the negative x, and they want to subtract 6. So let's just put that in. So we have 4/5 times that negative x. Oh, get back over here. And then the plus 2, and then subtract 6. So that will give us negative 4/5 x. Come on, center. Subtract 4. And again, we can just put this into the calculator. So I'll pull up my calculator. I'm going to move the screen over. There we go. I'll just go to y equals. Oops, got to turn it on. Okay, y equals, clear out the old equation. 4, oops, I need a negative. Okay, so negative 4/5 x, subtract the 4, enter. I'm going to go to my table. Let's see, I've got 0, negative 4, and 5, negative 8. Okay, so come back over to WebAssign. And I'm running out of time. So it was 0 and negative 4, and then 5 and negative 8. So if I move it up, you can see that it's flipped and it has been moved down. And I can type in the equation. Y equals 4 divided by, oops, I forgot that negative. Negative 4 divided by 5. And if I move it over with the X arrow key, x minus